Hey everybody, welcome to Everyday Journey. Today we're going to hack a Harbor Freight flashlight. These things are great. I mean, they've got two different kinds. They got this kind here, which has the 27, 21 LEDs, something like that. And then they have the other one that looks like just a straight bar across. And they're basically the same thing. The only difference is the LEDs. They just set in there differently. So the casing and all that is pretty much exactly the same. Even this light on the end looks to be exactly the same on the other one too as this one. I'll show you guys how to hack this thing. Right now we've got the magnet on the back, which is great. There's this hook here which is almost useless. The magnet here is great except for one thing. If you're working on something and it is right here over here, you could take this, hook it to here, turn it on, and illuminate over here. But what if what you wanted to illuminate was right here in front of you? We're going to show you how to do this. Alright, as you can see, these things here, you get them for free every other week or so whenever they have the coupons. So just go in there a couple times, get you one every time. All you have to do is buy something. So heck, if they had gum, you could buy that. But anyway, just take your screwdriver, reach back here. This magnet right here is actually just epoxied on. So you just stick your screwdriver or some other implement in there and pop it loose. Alright, so once it's loose, you just pull it out. All it is a magnet with a steel cover so you can see. And we just set that aside. Now we're done with this one. But just so you can see what's on the inside of this, we'll go ahead and take it apart. You will need to cut these labels. You could peel them off, but you just take a knife and go ahead and cut right here where these grooves are on either side of the black. And once it's cut, then you go ahead and take these 3 screws out right here. Alright, once the screws are out, go ahead and open this up. Inside, get 3 AAA batteries. If you didn't want to do anything with this flashlight right now, you could go ahead and just take those batteries out and keep them for something else, remote control, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Now we've got 4 screws right here. We'll go ahead and take those out. Now we go ahead and flip it over. Of course, our screws are going to kind of come out here. I'll just keep them in place right here. And then just lift off the cover. This right here is the housing. You got your button right here. This right here is your LED cover, and there's all your LEDs. They're attached to your circuit board there, and there's 2 screws right here if you need to take that circuit board out. Now what we're going to take advantage of is this right here. If you can see in here, there we go, there is a space right here between this outside housing and the square part here where the batteries actually go. We're going to take advantage of that right there. There's nothing there, and it doesn't matter. This thing's not waterproof anyway, so it doesn't matter if we bother that. So we'll go ahead and put it back together, and we'll get started on this. Alright, so it's back together. Went ahead and peeled the labels off of this. Measured the magnet. Get your appropriate size bit for that. You can either use a drill bit, or you can use a Forstner bit like this. I've got a whole set like this, so use whatever you like. You could use a Dremel tool. It would probably be easier. I'm just not going to. I'm going to attempt this. Now, if you're drilling into this, it's best to go ahead and have the batteries out. You don't want to drill into the batteries. Granted, it's not a lot, but you just don't want to take that chance. So, as far as mine goes, I'm going to drill into the side. Now there is a line, a center line that goes down through here. I'm going to take the tip of my Forstner bit and I'm going to put it wherever I think is the best place here. Eyeballed to the center, but I'm going to use the center line on that plastic. And we'll go ahead and just put a divot in here so we get it started. So grab our trusty drill. Hey, look at that. Now we can see. So, go ahead and drill our hole in here. Alright, we're through. Alright, now we just jam it full of hot glue and then jam our magnet in. I'm going to make sure that's sticking out quite a bit. And you want it to be flush. So putting a piece of metal on there, pressing against it, letting this cool down. The magnet should stick to the metal, keep it basically flush where it's supposed to be. And once it cools, we'll see how it does.
There you go. We can now illuminate from all different angles. So like and subscribe. Leave me some comments. And come back and watch some more videos. Y'all take care. See you next time.